YouTube has an option to connect your online store to your channel and show the products you're selling in your videos. Let's see how to connect the store and which websites are eligible for this connection. You can add a store if you are in the stage of monetization with YouTube, which requires 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. After you connect your channel to the program, you can click on Earn tab in YouTube Studio. There you'll see all monetization options. On the first page, you'll have the option to connect your store. You might not see it in the first few days after your channel is monetized, so wait for it to show up. When the shopping option is available for you, you'll see a new tab next to the membership and supers called Shopping. You'll also see it on the first page of the Earn tab. Click Get Started, and you'll be taken to the Shopping tab. There, find the Get Started button again and click Set Up. Here you'll see a list of shop platforms that can be connected to YouTube. WooCommerce, for example, is not one of them. You can connect a Shopify store or a Wix website store. Both are good options if you want to sell products other than merchandise made with print-on-demand companies. If you want to add merch you created for your audience, you can connect stores like Spreadshirt or TeePublic. I will start by showing how to connect to TeePublic because I have an established store there with thousands of products. Before you start connecting your store to TeePublic, you need to enable the permission to sell off-site. Go to your TeePublic store setting by clicking on the icon after you logged in. Then click Store Setting. In the menu, select Settings, scroll down and find the Off-Site Preferences section. Click the checkbox to approve it and save. Now go back to YouTube Studio Earn tab. After choosing the TeePublic store from the list, I need to confirm the agreement that I will follow the guidelines for connecting the store to YouTube. Now you'll see the option to either connect now or sign up. I already have a store, so I click Connect Now, and I'm taken to my store. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into TeePublic first. Then I got to the page where I can connect the store to YouTube. When I clicked it, something went wrong and the connection didn't work. After a few hours, I tried again and this time it works. This time I started directly from TeePublic instead of coming from YouTube. To find this option, in the menu, click Store Setting. Then find the Apps tab in the left side menu. Choose the YouTube option and you'll see the same page I saw the first time. Now, I selected the email connected to my YouTube channel. Then choose the channel I wanted to connect to and click Continue. You'll now need to allow YouTube and TeePublic to share information about your store. Select all the boxes to confirm that you authorize TeePublic to share that information. Then click Continue and you'll see that the store is connected. It took them a while to pull in the product and they approved most of them. When I asked support why I couldn't select the product myself, they didn't have an answer. TeePublic just picked up random product from my store and pushed that to YouTube. And for the product that YouTube didn't approve, I couldn't even tell which one were rejected. There's no way to see that information and YouTube support team didn't help or explain how to fix it. You can connect more than one shop to your account after the shopping feature is set up in your account. Go to the shopping page and find your store. Click the three dots and you'll see two options. The first one is for adding another store. Click it to add more stores. I have one store on Spreadshirt US. Let's see how to connect them too. Spreadshirt is an independent shop you can create inside the Spreadshirt website. It's independent, so they won't promote it for you, compared to the showroom that you can create for free inside the marketplace. Here you can only connect the Spreadshirt that is independent from the Spreadshirt showroom, but it is also free to set up. Back to YouTube. After you choose to connect Spreadshirt store, you have to sign the agreement. Now, if you already have a store, click the button and agree to the terms. Then you need to choose whether to connect the European website shop or the US website shop. They have different websites and you need two separate shops if you want to sell to both audience. I have one that I opened a long time ago on the US website. Even though I deleted all the product, I still have the shop, so let's connect this one. I click the US option, then logged in with my login details. To create a store, you can either start here by clicking the option to create an account or do it directly on the Spreadshirt website. I might show that in a different video if you want me to. After you log into your Spreadshirt account, choose your shop from the list. If you only have one, you'll just select that one. Agree to the terms and continue. Now click on Log in with YouTube and connect the specific channel that has monetization. A window will open to confirm it, and the next step is to agree that Spreadshop can share your store info with Google. Check the boxes, then confirm it once again. Now your shop is connected and you can see it on YouTube or go to Spreadshop to manage it there. In your Spreadshop setting, you'll see an option for YouTube Merch in the side menu. Click it and you can confirm which products you want to transfer to YouTube, which is different from TeePublic that just select random product for you. If you want to see how others view your store, you can go to your YouTube channel, then find the Store tab. There you'll see all the products you have. You can also see from which website the products came from. On this page, you have 30 products YouTube choose for you, or you can choose it yourself. If you want to know how your store is doing or manually selected products, you need to go back to YouTube Studio and click on Earn. Find the Shopping tab at the top. Here you'll have very minimal option to customize. At the top, you'll see the Analytics for the Shopping tab, where you can check how many clicks and impression you got. If you click See More under Analytics, you'll go to the main Analytics tab. So you don't have to go through the Earn tab every time if you want to watch the analytics. To go directly to your shop analytics, click Analytics on the side menu. Then click the Revenue tab, which is new if you just joined the partner program. There you'll see option for viewing revenue from connected store. Click it to see exactly which products people clicked on. As I said, I couldn't choose a product myself from TeePublic, so the products in my YouTube store are pretty random. If you want to see more analytics for the products people clicked on, click See More. And now you'll have very detailed analytics for each product, how many impressions and how many clicks it got. If we go back to the Earn tab and click on Shopping, under the Analytics section, you'll see two more options. The first one is for selecting the products. By default, YouTube automatically selects 30 products from the one that made it to your YouTube store, but you can change this. Click Create your own selection, and now on the right side, you'll see the YouTube selected for you. If you want to change something, you can click Delete Product on each one, or Clear All at the top if you want to start over. On the left side, you'll see other products you can add. You can search or paste a link to a product, but the product must already be in your YouTube store. The link should come from YouTube Shopping, or you can choose from the list shown. You can't add just any product. You can only add products already in your store. To add a product from the other side, click the plus button. You can select up to 30 products. So if you want to add different ones, you'll need to delete some from your current selection. You can also reorder the products by dragging them around. Then click Save. Now you'll see different options on the product page. You can click Go Back to Auto Select to reset your selection to what YouTube originally picked, or click Customize to go back to selecting and reordering the product again. If you want to temporarily remove the products from your channel without deleting everything or disconnecting the store, you can turn off the products here. On the other side, you have the option to manage stores. Kind of. If you have more than one store connected, you also see arrows to switch between them. You can click the store name to view it, where your store is stored. If you have TeePublic store, it will take you to the TeePublic's main page, not directly to your store. The other option is the three dots. Click it to either add more stores to the list or disconnect the store if you want to stop showing products from it. Another way to see it is by going to one of your videos. You'll see some random products from your store displayed under the video. To get more control over what products appear on specific video, go to that video editing page in YouTube Studio. Under the description, you'll find a button labeled Shopping. This button can be easy to miss, especially if you have the VidIQ add-on on your channel. Click it and you'll get a plus button to add more products. Click the pencil icon to open the product editor. Now you can add products from your own YouTube store. These products will not only appear under your video, but will also shown as a tag on the video itself, like an ad, and people can click on it to go directly to the product page. Add products from the side, and you can also add timestamps for them to show products when those products will show up on the video itself. Click the timestamps option after you have all the products you want, and you'll see a list of the product you added to the video. First, place the cursor at the point in the video where you want a product to appear on the screen. Then click the product button to add the timestamps. for that product. Do this for each product you added to the video. You can add as many products as you want, but you can't have more than one product showing at the same timestamp. So you need a few seconds between each product. If two are too close to each other, you'll get a red warning. The number of products you can add depends on the length of the video. Click Done when you finish. Now, whenever someone watches the video, the product will pop up on the screen at the time you set. After you finish setting this up, you need to click the Save button for the video you just edited. You can also add products when you upload a new video or on live stream. On the page where you set the end screen and cards, you'll see the option to tag products. Click it to add them. You'll get the same screen as when you edit an existing video. Add the products, but if the video is still uploading, you won't be able to add timestamps yet. You need to wait for the video to fully upload, or you can add the products now and edit the timestamps later once the upload is complete. If you want to learn more ways to earn money from the partner program, watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.